What do you need to calculate axle load and prevent overload? Where is the correct location for your crane and other equipment? How to calculate axle load and how to prove it is not exceeding the permissible values. This tutorial video will explain you how to calculate center of gravity and axle loads of the vehicle with different equipment on it. The calculator has been prepared for road and road rail vehicles manufacturers. On the road config sheet, the vehicle chassis can be selected from built-in list or the chassis features can be defined by user. In the other loads table, you can define the upper structure components parameters such as dimensions, weight, and position on the vehicle. They are automatically displayed on the drawing. The calculator continuously recalculates the axle's loads and total weight of the vehicle. The cell's background remains green as long as loads meet the chassis permissible values and change to red if loads are exceeded. If you still need support, do not hesitate to get in touch or leave your message in comment. In Bureau, Customized Vehicle Solutions.